Good morning. I'm over here in La Paz. We just left El Saltito and doing a little wash, little car wash right here. This place is called Multiservicios Mesa. Multiservicios Mesa, and they're doing an incredible job. The chassis of the truck and the Pando got a serious beat down on getting out of that the lagoon near Balandra, you know, after that rain for 2 days. So it really struggled getting up that hill. You know, the 2 inches or so of just dust turns into just a slush when it rains. So it's difficult. Anyway, we got up, but man, it tore up the underside, the undercarriage. So this guy's cleaning me up underside, both the Pando and the truck. And if you're hungry, you have a little cafe over here. I've decided to eat a little burrito with cheese. Muchas gracias. And they're over here. I think this is familia? No. Independientes. Amigos, friends, independent businesses, just making the most out of it. The burrito was 25 pesos, so $1.10. The price for the car wash, just the outside and the undercarriage, was 350 pesos. That's about 15 bucks. I mean, what an incredible service. And Brady even has a girlfriend over there too. He's already won her over. Told you he was a ladies' man. Look at this.
¿Es bien calmadito?
Sí, es muy dulce. This is a one-stop shop. Brady gets some grooming, I get some food, get the car washed. This is fantastic. Good morning. We're on our way to La Fortuna. It's near San Jose Del Cabo. That's where we'll be spending the next few days, hopefully, if we like it. But wanted to turn on the camera and show you there's no better way to test your equipment to make sure that it's well built than to put yourself through 100 miles of the Camino Cabo Este, which means the Camino the east route, the Cabo East route. 100 miles of washboard and sand and picturesque the entire way. The ocean is just right there, but this is what it looks like. 100 miles. There's no better way to test every little screw and component. You can hear me rattling and rolling. I'm going 10 miles an hour, and this is how it is. So at least 6 hours like this on this. And this is the as far as up and down, this is one of the better parts of it right here. But the washboard is intense the whole way. I still recommend it though. It's still a beautiful way to travel. You could take the main road and not see all this beauty back here, or you could take the east road, which swings you around the coast on the east side of the Cape. Anyway, got about another hour of this, and we should be getting close. Occasionally we get this right here. Always makes it fun. Munching on that tree right there. Brady's like, hey, what's up with that? Back to the shake, rattle, and roll. So we're at an arroyo near La Fortuna on the East Cape, and we got Mr. over here, and he's very interested in this. You being a good boy, buddy? You can come over here. You can come over here. Stay there. Stay there. You can come over here. You being a good boy? You being a good boy? All right. They're not sure about Brady. Don't bark. Don't bark. You'll scare them. Don't bark. You're being such a good boy. Come here. Got something on your face. Being such a good boy. Being such a good boy. Look at that tail. He knows. He wants to climb right up there. Look at that. He's never seen a donkey before. This little one's the friendliest one. Definitely want to avoid feeding them, or else they'll never leave you alone. The urge to give them my leftover apples was tough, but couldn't do it. They'll just never leave your campsite. I've just pulled over here for the night. It's a beautiful spot though. Getting back into civilization a little bit. Still no cell service, but another 5 miles southbound, and should pick it up. We're getting close to San Jose Del Cabo. Just right here. And by the way, the water's finally warm enough to go in. I went in today. It was so nice. You're being a good boy. Being a good boy. Good morning. The ocean is loud. Hope you can hear me. We've officially reached Cabo San Lucas, and without question the busiest part of Mexico by far. No, I mean, Baja is just wild. It's wild from, I mean, even La Paz was nothing compared to San Jose del Cabo, and which is on the eastern side of the tip of the peninsula, and Cabo San Lucas, which is where I am now, which is on the western side of the tip. But we're here at a beach called Magriño, and it's fantastic. It's about 10 miles, 20 miles, something like that, north of Cabo San Lucas. We've officially turned the corner, you know, turned the tip. So we are pointed northbound. We're gonna be here a few days. There's a lot to explore, but we're here at this beach, and man, the number of whales that just go by, humpback, sperm whales, gray whales, and blue whales. We thought the Sea of Cortez was busy. It's nothing like this. This is, and they're also closer in over here. So just being able to spot them is just, I mean, you're just sitting in your, you know, at your camp place, and they just go right by you, and they throw out these massive plumes when they breathe. It's just so cool. And there's also some sea lions up here, and that's where this hike this morning is going to be. We're headed up here, so take a look. This is where we're at. It's a little bit overcast today, which is fine. The sun is intense here. The water is warm. It's finally warm enough to go in for me. But yeah, we're just parked way down there, way down there, away from these folks here, but way down there. And just gonna go and explore this rough area here and see what we can do. And over there somewhere I hear sea lions, so we're gonna go and see if we can find them somehow. And obviously someone's ready to go, but it's been wonderful turning the corner here. It's wonderful. It's two true cities. I have not seen the likes in 800 miles since I entered Baja. So this is the real deal here. I would say it's half Mexican, half gringo, half American, and that's it. So let's get to it. It's not as dusty on this side. It's not as dry, and it's cooler by about, I don't know, 5 degrees, 6. Like at night it gets into the 50s, upper 50s, maybe mid 50s. On the other side it wasn't going below 60 at night, so that's been a difference for sure. Bizarre rock formations right in the sand here.